In today's video, we are going to be taking a look at 12 incredible facts about crocodiles. Number 12. Their bite is more powerful than a hippopotamus. It has been estimated that the bite of a crocodile is more powerful than even a hippopotamus, which is one of the most powerful bites in the animal kingdom. If a crocodile wanted to, it could easily crack open a hippo's skull. The American crocodile has one of the strongest bites in the world, with a force of around 3,700 pounds per square inch. For reference, the human bite force is only about 120 psi. No wonder why they're called the king of the reptiles. No. 11. They are also known as the devilfish. Despite being a reptile, the crocodile is often referred to as a fish. This is because when they were first discovered by ancient civilizations, they were seen as demonic creatures. They were also believed to live inside the water and had scales like fish. In Greek, the word for crocodile is actually translated to mean devilfish. Number 10. Ancient origins. The origins of the crocodile can be traced back millions of years ago. In fact, fossils have shown that they were around long before dinosaurs. It is thought that they first appeared on Earth around 85 million years ago. It was during the age of the dinosaurs where their relatives would eventually die out, but crocodiles would survive. Some scientists believe that they may have actually been the inspiration for the Loch Ness Monster. No. 9 different from alligators. While they may seem very similar, there are actually quite a few differences between a crocodile and an alligator. The main difference is that crocodiles have a narrower and longer snout compared to the wider, shorter snout of an alligator. Crocodiles also tend to have more of a rounded head, while alligators have a more pointed head shape. If you were to look at the teeth of these two animals, you would see that crocodiles have an overbite, meaning their top teeth are larger and more prominent. Meanwhile, alligators have a more even set of teeth. Number 8. Found on every continent. Today, crocodiles are found all over the world. However, this wasn't always the case. At one point, they could be found on every continent, including Antarctica, but today, they are nowhere to be found. There is believed to be around 23 different species of crocodiles alive today, with new ones being discovered recently. Most crocodiles live in tropical or subtropical regions, although some species can be found in temperate areas. Number 7. Can live anywhere. One of the reasons crocodiles have been able to survive so long is because they can pretty much live anywhere. They're very adaptable and can live in both salt and fresh water. They can tolerate brackish waters, where rivers meet the ocean, and are also able to thrive in lakes, swamps, and marshes. Because of this, they are now considered a cosmopolitan species. Number 6. A cold-blooded predator. Being cold-blooded, also known as a reptile, means that the crocodile cannot regulate its own body temperature. Instead, they rely on thermal energy from the sun. This is why you will often see them laying out in the sun, soaking up some rays. Once they become active, however, they are some of the most ferocious predators on Earth. They are opportunistic hunters and will feed on almost anything that enters their territory, whether it be a small fish or a large mammal. Number 5. Very old when captured. A while back, a massive crocodile was captured in India. It was estimated to be well over 100 years old. These crocodiles are often referred to as man-eaters because of how many people they've eaten throughout their lives. Although it wasn't this crocodile's fault. After all, humans had trespassed into its territory, and it was simply defending itself. To put things into perspective, the average lifespan of a crocodile is around 70 years. So this one had lived to be quite an old age. Number 4. They don't drink water. Even though crocodiles spend most of their lives in water, they rarely ever drink it. The reason why is because they get most of their hydration from their food. They also excrete very little water through urination, and are able to reabsorb any excess salt through their kidneys. Even if a crocodile did get thirsty, they could simply drink salt water, and then get rid of the excess salt through their gills. This makes crocodiles one of the very few animals that can drink seawater without suffering from dehydration. 3. They have a super sense of smell. Crocodiles have one of the best senses of smell in the entire animal kingdom. In fact, they are so good at smelling things that they can pick up the scent of blood from miles away. This allows them to locate prey that is hiding underwater and sometimes even helps them find roadkill. They can differentiate between hundreds of odors and use their sense of smell for many things, such as finding a mate, locating their nests, and identifying their young. 2. Their eyesight is just as good. Not only does the crocodile have a super sense of smell, but their eyesight is just as good. They are able to see very well both day and night. They can detect fast movements from great distances and have excellent depth perception. This is helpful when sneaking up on prey or spotting predators trying to attack them. Some species of crocodiles even have the ability to see ultraviolet light, which helps them find prey and navigate. Number Y. The largest crocodile ever. The largest crocodile ever recorded was an enormous beast that measured over 23 feet long. It was captured in the Philippines and weighed over 2,400 pounds. If this thing got a hold of you, there would be no escape. There are other reports of crocodiles that are even bigger, but none of them have been confirmed. The biggest crocodile still alive today is named Cassius and is a whopping 20 feet long. He is currently 50 years old and resides in Australia. Thank you guys for watching. That's all for today. See you next time.